Hagasi balang jagatayo ke HSPDP hapo kajiyalam jong President ubaki pipangyang kilayakandu yu Dr. Kumar, Regional Director Jongatana Atomic Mineral Division North East Region, banyakran halor kajing tmu jong kasor karkme, ban peloy kajing Tih Uranium ha Meghalaya. Hadian kajiyalang ubaki pipangyang ulay thu hakila pathai kubor, ba kajiyalang kalong ka pasayso, badu Director ula pentip haki ba kasorkar India ka Yangs Kem, ba kanum sya, ban peloy kajing Tih Uranium haki thain dom yasiat hakajala Meghalaya.
Since the state of Meghalaya in 2016, 1st August 2016 had decided to revoke the lease of 422 hectares. The site situated at Tomiasiat or Nongba Zinri to explore pre-mining activity in that place. Since the government has revoked the order to allow the usual for pre-mining there at Tomiasiat, so till today, the government of India, it told us that it stands strongly not to do further works or further exploration of uranium mining in the state of Meghalaya. And AMD as of now, the state of Meghalaya has nothing to say because it is outside the list or the program of the AMD in the Northeast India. At present, they are doing the program of to know and exploring the minings like in the state of Assam, in Arunachal Pradesh, in Mizoram and some other states in the northeast. So now they stand committed strongly that there is no further attempt to mine uranium in our state.